Crypto TA Pro, I'm Fabio. Please, before start the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Right now, what we can see, we are in 1 day Bitcoin chart. We can see the last candle closed 9-4 bullish and mine 2-4 bearish. It's likely a bullish candle. We have very big shadow on the bottom to the candle. This is a bull signal. We have a yellow diamond, okay, these two, it's a bull signal in market cipher A. And we have the new candle start with 6-4 bearish and 2-4 bullish. It's likely the new candle open with more powerful for the bearish sign. Okay, we see this big drop today, okay, but I think it's not the end. We can see some kind of correction. Why? Because we have a weekly candle almost close with a red dot, but we will see right now. If we're looking for market cipher B, we can see the money flow is going sideways, the momentum wave is going up, RSI stochastic good, 84, a little bit looking down, but it's nothing bad. The VWAP is drastically going down right now. I expect to test the zero line and get some kind of a reaction to the upside. Our RSI, we can see we get the cross to the downside, and right now we need to check in what's going on here. Probably we can see something like this and going up, okay. I expect stay in the neutral territory, trend going down, and when we stay close to the zero line going up, okay, something like that. But guys, we need to check very well 1 week Bitcoin chart, because we are very close to get our red dot. The money flow is going up, is very good. The RSI stochastic going up, good. And the VWAP too, because it's going down, but probably it's likely recover close to the zero line. I expect see something like this, or may going down a little bit and something like this. It's nothing, I don't think it's something very bad, but we need to check what's happened with the weekly chart. We need, we're waiting for this red dot, and we need to see how much we going to the downside. The same thing for 6-day chart. 6 day right now we get our red dot, we get a red diamond, bearish sign, and we need to see what's happening when the RSI touch the EMA22. If we get a crossing, we have a little bit dump, or if we get a bounce and going to the upside. In the 4-hour chart, if we look in our EMA21, EMA21, we can see we are every hour more close to the crossing. When we get this crossing, it's a bearish crossing and we get a correction, okay. Our idea for the bull flag, it's a little bit a little bit compromise, because we get this big correction, okay. We practically broken our bull flag. It's right now we don't have very good target for the Bitcoin price in the short term. What we can see the price practically it's broken the flash crash. We broken the golden pocket, we go to 0.786, and we come back above to the EMA21. This is crazy, guys. We get right now the new candle 4-hour chart with an X, red X. This is a bearish sign with 12-4 bearish and mine 3-4 bullish. It's likely have another correction in 4-hour chart. Almost, if we look in our market cipher B, we can see the money flow start going red and the VWAP going down. Okay guys, we need to see this red wave if it's a big one or smaller one. This is very important and understand when we can get the green dot to go into the upside another time. Okay, but the correction it's not end. We can see in 2-hour chart we start to see the red, green, and the VWAP going up. This is good. It's here. We can get probably a green dot. We get a bullish divergence in 2-hour chart, probably in the next 2 hours. This is good. This is very good because we have a bullish divergence. And 1-hour chart, what we can see we save the money flow because the money flow going down here, recover, practically touch the zero line going up, right now sideways, another time going down, and right now recover the VWAP 2, the momentum wave 2, RSI stochastic is not recovered right now, but here it's very good. We get a big green dot 1-hour chart. This is very powerful, and with this green dot we get a very bullish diversion, very interesting. May we can have some correction in 61.8 and start to going up. It's very important start to retest $64,200 for the Bitcoin price. But in 1-hour chart we can see the EMA21 change the color from blue to red. This is a bearish sign, but right now it's like recover. Okay, right now, start right now. In 30 minutes we can see a bullish divergence. We get our red dot, the money flow is start going up to the green territory, very good. In 15 minutes it start right now going to the green territory. Just the RSI going down, stochastic change the color green to red, this is bullish. The momentum wave going up, VWAP going up, money flow going up and green. We get the cross with RSI and EMA22. Everything is looking good for Bitcoin. Probably we can see some kind of side action in the next days. Right now the dominance for the Bitcoin it's 43.22, is going down, and the altcoin is start to pumping very hard. I expect to see something like this, move the price between 63, 64, between 64 and 61. Maybe we can see some kind of action like this, but we need to check very well the 4-hour chart, because we need to understand what's going on with the money flow in 4-hour chart. I don't want to see something like that. I want to see something like this, okay, and start to go to the green territory, because also the RSI stochastic is going with the one line and change the color, looking great. Just we need the money flow, the momentum wave. Here we miss our green dot and we're going down, and the VWAP start to going up. Okay, I think in the next probably 2 days we can understand better the situation, but the weekly chart is the key. Okay, 4-hour and the weekly chart is the key for Bitcoin price. If we look in Ethereum, we close our daily with 17 for bullish, -5 for bearish. We get yellow diamond. The new candle is start with 5 for bullish and 4 for bearish. With the yellow diamond, it's like nobody have enough power to push the price down on up. I believe if we're going down, I think we can do a little correction for Ethereum, may touch 4,500 and going up. My target for Ethereum is still $5,100. We can see right now the momentum wave is going up, money flow is sideways, the momentum, the VWAP is going down, probably touch the zero line going up. Here we get probably tomorrow, May, we get our red dot, but it's very high. It's not very bad, probably sign kind of little correction on side action for the Ethereum price. If we're looking for our chart, we have money flow in green, VWAP start going up, almost we get our cross with RSI and EMA22. If we get this crossing, if we don't get a rejection, if we get this crossing, we probably we can see a little pump. In 2 hours, the same thing, we have VWAP going up, momentum wave going down, RSI stochastic sideways, but everything is looking good for Ethereum. It's just a little correction for the next leg up. My opinion, we will reach easily $5,100. The dominant for Ethereum is 19% right now. We get 1% more respect to 2-3 days ago. Everything is fine. If we look in XRP, guys, XRP very interesting. It start going up another time. We can see in 1 day chart, guys, we are with the money flow to the zero line. This is very important because we waiting for this moment and we waiting for going to the green side. The VWAP right now is going up, is going down, but I believe it's just for maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow, and start going up another time. We have RSI stochastic going up, stochastic in green going up very strong. Everything is looking great. We can see the RSI and EMA22, we start to go into the neutral, very close to the bullish territory. Very beautiful chart for XRP. We broken our symmetric triangle to the upside. We get our first target 122, and right now we're waiting for next target 1.41. This is very important because it's the golden pocket for the local all-time high. We get this year $1.96. This is very important because if we broken 141 easily, we can get 161. And guys, when we broken 161 easily, we can go to the all-time high $4 for XRP. For our chart, we can see beautiful money flow. We can see the VWAP right now. We get a rejection for the downside. Okay, the momentum wave, we get a green dot, another red dot. This is because the Bitcoin, we get a correction with the Bitcoin, and it's clearly the Bitcoin is the king, and every crypto have a correction if Bitcoin have a correction. But it's a little one, nothing bad. We are very high. We are in 84, very high, very healthy. In 2 hour chart, we can see a beautiful money flow. We can see the momentum wave above to the 60 line. And the same thing for 1 hour chart. Beautiful chart for XRP. I expect get $141 in the next week. I expect see the new all-time high for XRP in the next 30 days. If we look in Shiba Inu, what we can see, Shiba Inu, clean a little bit the chart. Zoom a little bit the candle. Okay, we can see Shiba Inu in the last candle we don't have any bullish or bearish signal. We can see the last candle we closed -5 for bullish, 14 for bearish. The new candle opened with 15 for bearish, -5 for bullish. It's likely the bearish have the controller right now. We almost touched the end to the bullish territory. I would like to see some kind of reaction to the upside here. The money flow start going down, but the VWAP is not really going down. It's likely would like recover something. Right now we test the EMA 21 and we get a reaction to the upside. This is good. We need to see, we need to understand if we get really support to the EMA 21 one day chart will be very important. In 4-hour chart, what we can see the EMA 21 change the color from blue to red. This is very sign. We get a correction, a big correction in 0.00052. If we look in our line, what we can see, our target for our correction is 0.000048. We have a little bit more room to go to the downside, and this is possible to the EMA 200, 0.000041. But right now, guys, we get a big green dot, practically 4-hour chart. We can see the money flow. It's recover. We don't get the red money flow. We're going sideways, and the VWAP going up. If we can broken and going to the upside, probably this will be the bottom. We need to see in the next 8 hours, but probably this is the bottom for the Shiba Inu, and start going to the upside another time. In 2-hour chart, we can see practically the same. We have a double bottom. We have a big red wave in the money flow. Stochastic RSI close to the zero line. But it's early to see in the 1-hour chart too. It's big wave. It's early. Probably we can see some kind of consolidation in this range for a few days for Shiba Inu after to see some kind of a reaction to the upside. Almost we get this cross. When we get this cross, it's a bullish cross going to the upside, but it's a little bit early. We can see we are in the bearish territory in our RSI EMA 22. We try to touch this line and start to enter in the neutral territory. In 30 minutes, we are already entering the neutral territory, but we can see the money flow is still red. It's high, it's very high, very big, -32. In 15 minutes, we are almost close to the zero line, but it's likely going sideways. I think it's early for Shiba Inu. We need to wait in probably until Monday, something like that, to see some kind of a reaction to the upside. We need to check very well what's happening with Bitcoin with 1 week chart, and we will see. Okay, another coin I would like check with you with Shiba Inu. For me, my target is still 0.00001, cioè nothing changed, 0.0001. This is my target for Shiba Inu. Nothing change. If we looking for token metrics, and we look in Shiba Inu price prediction, nothing change. Okay, we get a big correction with respect the price prediction for token metrics. This is something strange. Normally we don't have this big difference, but we will see Monday and understand if we can reach our target or not. But I think yes, because the money flow is still good in 1 day chart, in 2 day chart. in 3 days. We don't have this information right now in market cipher because we don't have a lot of information to the chart. Okay, but it's still good. We can get this correction 0.000048 or 0.00039 and start to going up. Okay, guys, I would like check another coin very popular right now, Solana. Solana is very healthy chart. We can see in weekly we get the green dot, but right now here we're waiting for the dot 2. We get the new all-time high for Solana, $249. In 1 day chart we close our candle with 17 for bullish, -5 for bearish, the new one 7 for bullish, 0 for bearish, and we can see the momentum wave going up, the VWAP sideways, but we still in green. We need to see what's happening when the RSI touch the EMA22, if we just touch and going up or crossing and going down. If we crossing going down, we can see a correction probably in 196. If we don't get a correction, we can see probably a new all-time high for Solana. In 4-hour chart, we get a red dot. This is a bearish divergence in 4 hours. The money flow is still green. The momentum wave is going like the VWAP, sorry, is going like sideways. And 1 hour chart, the money flow is beautiful in green, high. The VWAP is going sideways. And also we get this bullish cross. Okay, everything is very healthy. It's fine for Solana. Remember, guys, Solana is one of the token chose for token metric for the monthly portfolio. Okay, I talked with this coin maybe 2 days ago, something like that. Right now, today we get a new all-time high. This is everything for today, guys. Remember, if you are interested in market cipher, you have the link in the description below. You get market cipher A, market cipher B, market cipher SR, market cipher DBSI, or token metric if you would like looking for the best investment in crypto. You have the link in the description below for token metrics. This is everything for today. See you on the next video. Bye.